lights are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life is lemons, just call me. Just call me. Just call me.
So there you go, there is that little video. I did throw in some iPhone shots shot on iPhone 11 Pro Max. It was through all the cameras, the wide angle, the regular, and the telephoto. So there were some shots in there, but the majority of them were made up of the Mavic Mini. So there was that. I know this video isn't typical, and I really would have liked to have a regular video out today, but it's been a very odd last week and a half because of the whole situation, as most of you know. I can't actually say that word here on YouTube, so I'm just gonna say the thing, because everybody knows at this point what the thing is. But my college campus has been closed down for the remainder of the semester, so it's been really weird planning out, moving out all my stuff out of my dorm room and just bringing a bunch of stuff home this weekend. So yeah, I've just been really busy, and it's been odd with classes wise because everything's going to be online now. So I've already had some online classes already, so I'm kind of used to online content. But as far as my professors who have never dealt with online classes before, I'm not looking forward to it. But with that being said, with all this additional time that I'll have now being home for the remainder of the semester, I will have plenty of time to make a bunch of videos about the Mavic Mini, about other drones, and about all this stuff over here. This stuff over here, some of it has been sitting here since December. I just have not had time to touch it, but with all my free time now, well, hopefully free time, I should have plenty of time to check that out. So yeah, this video was definitely different than usual, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. And if you stuck around to this long, you're awesome. And you probably don't even need to hear this, but definitely make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also subscribe if you haven't already, because every subscriber, I appreciate you all. And yeah, stay healthy and safe out there. See you in the next video. Peace.